evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, for record purpose, may you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Chief Chuks Ọchịagha Mba Amuwo Odofin, Ọchịagha ndị Igbo, Ojimoto eme ọgụ, Afakanko.
Okay, sir.
For this purpose.
So you appear so happy. I can see the women singing to your praises and the praises of the king. There's Odofin. So what is actually happening today?
Yeah, today is a very big day. A day we will not forget. That the Igbos in Amuwo Odofin, including the market people, as Panda, gathered to honor the area commander for a work well done. He has served Amuwo Odofin Federal Constituency meritoriously. He served Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo community, and South. There was no discrimination in his command. And this day, the Igbos put their heads together and said, look, this man, we're going to honor him. And we have successfully done that.
So, now, what is your advice to other Igbos who find themselves in similar position?
Yes, it's an eye-opener. Somebody called it a blue moon. I said, actually, it's not a blue moon. But the issue is that if you do well, you'll be honored. If you do well, you'll be honored. Today, they will emulate you. So that when they are called, they will do it. So I advise all our people in authority to emulate the area commander, Eburuaja.
ACP Eburuaja.
Yes, Eburuaja.
What was the title again you could bestow on him?
Oputa, Obie.
Because you are the chairman of the
council, Amuwo Odofin
Council
yes,
of Chiefs.
And the kingmaker.
And the kingmaker. Thank you very much.
Thank you.